So, good evening, ma'am. Deva, my name is Venkanathan Puskatama. So, this is my code or my explanation for midterm laboratory exam. Okay. So, may I start? We have the hashtag include IFS string, the header file library, and the using namespace std standard library. So we use this because this is more convenient for us, and then space, and then we have int main or the main function. So we have the char choice. This declares a variable choice of type char, which is used to store a single character such as a letter, for example A, B, etc. or a symbol. It can hold any character typically using one bit of memory. And this declares four variables. We have n1 and n2, n1, n2, n3, and u, all of type int. It is used to store a integer value whole numbers, both positive and negative, and typically occupies 4 bits of memory, so this can be very depending on the system. So we have while true, you know, this is a this creates an infinite loop that will run continuously until a specific condition breaks it. The true inside the parentheses make it always true, meaning the loop will run forever unless you break out of it using break or some other mechanism like exit or return statement. This is useful in programs that needs to continuously prompt the user for input like a menu that keeps appearing until the user chooses to exit. Displaying the menu inside while the loop, the following lines are used to display the available choices to the user. So we have the cout is the output string in C++ used to display text or data on the screen. And then double quote slash n double quote is used to print a new line which moves the cursor to the next line, making the output more readable. And we have the cin is the input string in C++ used to receive input from the user or the computer to understand. And the operator is the extraction operator which takes input from